can't open it.
Here, you videotape. Okay.
Okay, I'll open the side.
What is it, guys?
Bailey's wondering what it is.
It's from Aunt Dewey.
No.
All right, Bailey, back up. Jay, are you breakdancing?
No.
What are you doing?
No.
Keep spinning.
Say hi to Aunt Dewey.
Oh, man. She double wrapped it.
Cammy, say hi to Aunt Dewey.
Cammy, look at my camera.
Say hi, Aunt Dewey.
Hi, Cammy. All right.
Jay, say hi to Aunt Dewey.
Jay,
I don't want to.
Jay, then you don't get to open it. I'll open it.
I'll open it.
Thank you, Dewey.
Very good.
And it's triple wrapped.
Woo!
A scale! Just what we always needed. And it's quadruple wrapped. Seriously, Carrie?
What is it? What does it do?
Look in here. Yes. Oh. Ready? Listen. To Jay and Cammy, guess how much I miss you. Are you missing me too? Let's read this book. Let her say it.
Hi, Jay and Cammy. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. I love you tons, and I miss you so much every day. Love, Aunt Dewey. You know that I love you more than words could ever say. But do you know how much I miss you when I'm far away?
It's got to come out there. Come out there.
I miss you more than flowers would miss the sun. I miss you more than a squirrel would miss his favorite tree.
I thought it was going to say nuts.
I miss you more than eagles would miss the chance to fly. I miss you more than a dolphin would miss the sea.
It comes out. It's coming out.
I miss you every day that
Come
we're
out.
apart,
It's
but I
coming
don't
out.
feel too blue
Come out, Mommy.
because I know that with each day, I'm one day closer to seeing you.
Come out.
That's so
Aww.
nice. Look at the camera. Say thank you so much, Dewey. Tell her thank you.
I don't want to.
Say I miss you too.
Say I miss you.
I don't want to.
Why?
I miss you.
Cammy.
Say thank you. Thank you, Carrie. Sorry, my kids are BRATSs.